My name is Caryn Marty. I am an industrial engineering intern. I work a lot on the floor with the production employees. I make fixtures, improve anything on the floor that needs some work to make their jobs a little bit easier on them, to improve the quality of our products, and just to make life a little better at Superior. I think what people most tend to get wrong about manufacturing jobs is that they think it's dirty, it's gross, it's a lot of work for a little reward. But one of the things I see a lot in manufacturing is you get to see the completion of the project from start to finish. So you see it come from the shafts and the metal sheets, and you get to see it turn into idlers and pulleys and come together in big telestackers. And I think that's a really rewarding job to see how your job can directly impact people in the field. If I could tell policymakers one thing about manufacturing jobs, I think it would be that we need to expand the research and really help the people who work in the manufacturing industry. It's the backbone of America. It's the working class citizens. Just to recognize them a little more, thank them for their job, and do anything that they can do to improve their quality of work. I would tell people about why the industry is a good place to work, because especially here at Superior, our culture is amazing. I work with some incredible people both on the production floor and in engineering. Team leads, I don't think I've ever had a bad experience. Everyone here is really helpful. They are super kind people. They will do anything to make your job easier. So it's a really full circle moment to help them out in their jobs. It's just a great place to be overall. My second year as an intern, I'm doing a lot more work on the floor. My first year, I did a lot of data analysis. So this year, I'm kind of diving into the design aspect, doing a lot more projects with the production workers. I've been designing a couple fixtures. One of them we're sending to our plant in Georgia. Another we're working with the weld frame to drop a couple of fixtures for them, make their jobs easier so they don't have to measure by hand every time. They can just put their frames in, weld up, and go. So I'm loving that aspect of it. I think a lot of manufacturing plants they just have huge areas to work with, and Superior is a little smaller. It started as a ma and pa shop, so we don't have the space that big companies do, like Doosan Bobcat. But we do with our space some incredible things, like the telestackers and conveyors that come out of here. You would never guess that's what's going on here from the outside. If you just drive by on the highway, you might not expect anything of it, but when you step inside the shop and you see what's going on and what kind of innovation we have here, it's really something.